stop dragging emails to folders one by one. There is one click way to file that's take a fraction of time. And once you set it up, you never need to drag again. So let me show you how to turn filing from the daily core into a single keystroke. So dragging emails is slow and worse. You misfile half of them, then waste time hunting later. The problem is you are doing manually what Outlook can do automatically. Two features: Quick Step, which run several actions from one click. And second is Rules or the sweep button, which auto route emails by sender. So let's start with the Quick Step. Now, the fastest way and the easiest way to find quick steps is to click on this gear symbol, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and that will take you to this option, settings. Here in the search bar, you need to find or type quick, and you will see these quick steps. Once you click on it, you are re-forwarded to the quick step homepage. Now, what you need to do is to click on this add quick step to create a new one. Now, first you need to name it. So I name file to projects. This is my name. Now the next step is choose an action. So when I click on this drop down, there are multiple options, but currently I need to move that email to a specific folder. So I select move to. Now I have to select the folder. Once I click on this drop down, I have all the existing folders available in my Now in case you need to create the new one, simply click on this create a new folder and name it. So here once again I give the same name, which is file to project. Hit this check mark to save this folder as well, and the folder is appear here. You can also click on this add and another action if you required. You can customize your quick step description. Here is the description if you need to add. And the most important part is to choose a shortcut. Once you click on the drop down, you will see a few options already given. The problem is you have to only select from these options. You cannot assign a new or any other key combination to create a shortcut here. So I select the Control Shift 5 as a keyboard shortcut for this function. Hit save. Your quick step is added in the gallery. Now I close it. Now any email you need to shift to that specific folder, which is here, you simply need to hit Control Shift and 5. That email will automatically shift it to that folder. Now the next option is rules or the sweep button to auto route everything from the sender into a folder. Now for that you need to again use this sweep symbol, which is available under the home tab and move section. Once you click on the sweep, that will give you four options. Move all messages from the inbox folder, move all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages. Always keep the latest message and move the rest from the inbox folder. And the final one is always move messages older than 10 days from the inbox folder. These functions will be applicable for a specific email address. Although I have selected this Microsoft email, so the email is this. So any option I select will be applicable for the emails received from this email address. Now what I need to do is to move to. Again, I can use the drop down. I choose the same folder if required, like this, and hit OK. So every email received from this email address matches the option you have selected will automatically execute it. So the only difference between quick steps and this sweep feature is designed for a specific email address, but the quick step you can execute any email received from anybody. Simply select it, use your keyboard shortcut, and your email will be shifted to that folder. So that's all for today. Lot more are coming in coming days. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.